Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle beats videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, put the bell to notify every time I make a video. So yes guys, as you can hear outside, it's quite rainy. So I just wanted to vlog a storm day in my life, or storm, what happens during a storm in my life. So we have Shanique over here. We're actually playing car parks, so yeah, and I just want to show you guys outside. So it's raining quite hard outside, as you guys can see. Yeah, it's a one. She claims it's snow.
Okay, it's fine. Fog.
Alright guys, we're playing car park. I play strip me.
Pay me.
How much you pay you?
Four.
Never mind. Pay me. Pay me, girl. Pay me. How much you pay? That's a 2 or 3? Or a king or 3? Okay. Come now. Yes, guys. The next. Woo!
Ugh.
I love being paid. I love the jockeys.
Ugh.
Ay, ay, ay. Come on. Ah! Come.
Give me.
Hey guys, and this one I get Jack, I wear on the nose, so it's over this, so I write this say down. Thank you very much. So the aim, guys, of this game, this strip me game, is pretty much
To get all the pretties.
get all the cards from the other person.
all the pretties.
But you're not gonna know which one I'm pretty unless you get all like card.
Oh, thank you very much.
Because pretty much you're not supposed to turn it over, it's supposed to stay like this, but people cheat and actually look. But yeah. Ah! Yes, queen. One.
Yes, I like my life.
Guys, I don't like this.
I
my
love
card
my
pack.
life
Look what
like
me I go
this.
down. I'm cool fair enough over there. Oh, I put down that. Come on, 4. Come on. Make sure it's 4 of this bush. Aye, yes, me.
I didn't shuffle it to us, so. Jesus, take
Aye.
the wheel. Give it to me. Yes.
Aye,
Yes.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna play and then I'll update you later. By the way, guys, we actually ate ice cream because we say it I got milk. I like that, so yeah, we just ate one of the ice cream cakes that we had in the freezer. More actually see who win the game.
My
so
girl,
just make
you're actually a lose. Give me your life.
I know, I realize.
Yes.
2 more. 1, yes, 3. Oh, 1 more. Woo!
Gosh.
Me not lose again. Now I'm
this,
sure.
man, I hate this.
Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. My pot a little bit bad. Wanna hear that outside? Like, yeah. Alright, guys, I'll update you guys who win the game later. So come.
Show the people them where you have in there, and man, show them where you have.
Nah, show them what me have.
Why? Hear me.
See what me have.
Of course, I them I go see, and I like we're gonna play the game. Like you done? I stripped her. Now take off your top. I'm just kidding. We ain't playing that.
Guys, I
We
lost.
playing
I
that.
lost. Like,
What's next? Go fishing?
No. Which one to want? So guys, we play goldfish and my field session win. I have 6 sets.
4.
So the aim basically of this one is to get your axe each other from the one that you have in your hand until all of them finish. Yeah. She passed 6 or she win.
7.
8. Oh, 7. Yeah. She won by 1.
Doggy, my lucky numbers.
It was actually fun, not gonna lie.
The 3 on top. I'm gonna be 30 this year, people. See? 30. Money on.
Anyways, you wanna see
Anybody
this one
can
again?
tell me how poker play? I really want to know how poker is played.
Yeah, we don't know how that one's played.
What's the other game?
You don't want to play this again? It's fun.
Business fun?
Yes. I want to play this
You
again.
want more people? Daddy!
Guys, it's reach and none it reach. Now see that? I want you to go that one in this condition. Look on this too. Look at that. Yeah. Anyways, me gone. Me I feel the rain fire too. You're not feeling it? Yeah. Okay. I pray for the people that are getting this full force because this brother is crying. Oh, you poor thing. I got she bad man. Excuse let me get to line up because them. Yeah. She bad man. Look at that. That's a bad man face. Take them up. But now I got none. We're done. Alright guys, so I'm hungry. So we decided to come around and I had some, what do you call this? Something like spam. Yeah. But not spam, but the ham one. And I ate it with bread. And then my sister, she don't really like it, so she made some corned beef and she gave me a little bit. And I eat that with little crackers. So yeah. Well, she make iced tea, so yeah. Yes guys, let's eat. Alright guys, so we're finished eating. Shani's over there just chilling. She's not. She's sipping iced tea. Anyways, I'm gonna try and see if I can draw something. I'm just bored, so I'm gonna draw something. So yeah, just found my pencil. I got a piece of paper because my drawing book is finished. Guys, I drew a minion. It is weird, but I'm gonna color it anyway, so oh well. Alright guys, one down. It doesn't look that good, but oh well. It was fun drawing it, so let's do a next one. I think I want to do either mermaid or fairy. Hi guys, so it is Wednesday, so it's the other day after the storm has passed. It's kind of still windy, but it's not raining, but we still don't have any electricity. So I was bored and I did makeup. But yeah, this is the makeup that I did, and now I'm bored again, so I'm just vlogging. So hey guys, what's up? Guys, I'm in love with this lip color because I hardly wear colored lip. I normally wear like a light pink, but yeah, that's normally it's a nude. So I'm loving this. But yeah, mother, hi.
Where is the other one?
What other one?
The big fluffy one.
Oh, that. Oh, okay. And behind door number 2, we got sister. Yeah. Hi, Shan.